Hey guys, so today I am on my way to pick up a new spoiler I will be adding onto my Camaro tonight. It's a Z28 style with a Wicker build, all black. So it should match the color scheme I'm going with my Camaro. Like the previous video, I might not talk much while installing it, but I will kind of give an overview of what I'm doing to get it installed. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below and enjoy the video. Okay, just to update, I finally got the spoiler off. It is nasty under it. To do so, first of all, I had to take that thing down. I had to remove two bolts there, one inside there and one inside there. Now I had some trouble getting the spoiler off because they use some kind of like sticky glue residue, I guess, to keep it from vibrating. But I literally had to just like beat it and get it off. So currently that is where I'm at. So right now I'm using like alcohol, or like rubbing alcohol, and a paper towel, and it's getting it up pretty good. You can see the kind of what like before and what it's looking like. It's still got a few spots on it. So that's what it kind of looks like if you don't have a spoiler on the back of your Camaro. And honestly, I am not a fan. It has to have a spoiler. It looks horrible like this. Alright, for one, I mean, I got holes in it, so. It also looks like a dog with its tail cut off. It needs a spoiler. Let's try to get the stain on. If you ever do this, make sure you put this on under that. I just put this whole piece back on and then realized I left that off. So I had to take all these out just to pull it back and put that back in. So, alright. Can't really step back far enough for the camera, but there it is. Now the bill is kind of like a smoky tinted color to it. I know you can't see it well in here. I'll have to get another video of it in the morning when it's sunlight or when it's daylight outside. But it looks really good, like in person. It's really hard to show on camera how good it looks. It really makes it look good in the car. Ow. It definitely goes with the design I'm going for, with the white and black. you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.